How to clear WhatsApp storage on Android? In order to clear WhatsApp storage on Android, you have to open the WhatsApp on your Android and log into your WhatsApp account. Then you have to tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. On this drop down box, select Settings. Now here, you will see the option of storage and data. Tap on it. And at the top, tap on Manage Storage. And here we get a detailed view of where our storage is being used. You can also see how much storage WhatsApp has been covered. So out of 4.5 GB, 53 MB has been used. So you can see the chats over here and open the chats. As you can see, this chat has this PDFs. If you want to clear the WhatsApp storage, you can simply select those photos or images that has been sent to your WhatsApp through different chats. Let's tap on select all at the top right corner, and you can click on the dustbin or delete icon at the top right corner of the screen, and following the same way you can also go back to the screen again. So on this manage storage, you can open any chats, and in that similar way, you can select all those photos, videos, or PDFs and delete it by using the delete icon at the top right corner of the screen and easily clear WhatsApp storage on Android. So that's it for today. I hope this video worked out for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.